Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I'll be adding the background for the peacock drawing that I drew on Monday. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So today it's going to be a special drawing because I already drew the bird and I'm just adding in the background because I didn't want to make the video too long for the drawing of the bird. So this is going to be a Mandala art and I will be adding just the background for this. So I will put the drawing of the bird at the end of this video as well. So if you want to, you can check it out there as well and at the I button up top. So let's get started, and I will be using color pencils to draw the background, watercolor pencils. So I'll show you how I did that as well. And if you want to connect with me through other social media, my Facebook, Twitter and Instagram information is in the description box below. And always you can, if you have any requests, if you have any comments, you can let me know by commenting below as well. So let's get started. So really you can add any background that you like, any pattern, anything that you like, or just color it plain black or a dark plain color so that the bird pops out. So this is the full color drawing of the peacock with the background. I hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like button down below and leave a comment for me. And if you want to buy products with this background and the bird on, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below. And also you can get products with just the bird on as well if you want to get the plain bird. So check it out, and don't forget to check out my next videos that I've put here for you, including the plain bird video as well. I hope you like that one as well. So don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. Like I said before, I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So if you have any questions or if you want to request something, let me know by commenting below. So then I will see you Friday. Bye.